Welcome back to my channel. Luxury Drive Car 2025 McLaren 720S, a supercar that exemplifies the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every facet of the 720S, from its awe-inspiring performance capabilities to its meticulously crafted interior, advanced technological features, and the driving experience that sets it apart in the world of high-performance vehicles. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 McLaren 720S is a testament to the harmonious blend of form and function. Its design is not merely about aesthetics. Every curve and contour serves a purpose in enhancing performance. The sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is sculpted to minimize drag and maximize downforce, ensuring optimal stability at high speeds. The front fascia features signature LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the flowing lines of the body, while the dihedral doors not only provide a dramatic entrance but also improve airflow. Constructed using a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the 720S boasts exceptional rigidity and lightness. This monocage 2 structure is central to the car's dynamic capabilities, offering a robust foundation that enhances both safety and performance. The overall design is a result of extensive computational fluid dynamics, CFD, simulations and wind tunnel testing, culminating in a vehicle that slices through the air with minimal resistance. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the 720S lies a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers exhilarating power. This power plant produces 710 horsepower and 568 pounds-feet of torque, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds. The engine's responsiveness is further enhanced by a flat plane crankshaft and lightweight internals, allowing for rapid acceleration and a thrilling exhaust note. Mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the 720S offers seamless gear changes that contribute to its exceptional performance. The transmission's adaptive shift algorithms ensure that the car is always in the optimal gear, whether you're navigating city streets or pushing the limits on a racetrack. The Inconel titanium exhaust system not only reduces weight but also produces a distinctive sound that is both aggressive and refined. Chassis and handling. The 720S's handling prowess is a result of meticulous engineering and advanced technology. The proactive chassis control 2 system utilizes a network of sensors to monitor road conditions and driver inputs, adjusting the suspension accordingly to maintain optimal grip and comfort. This predictive system enhances stability during high-speed maneuvers and provides a compliant ride over uneven surfaces. The double wishbone suspension setup, combined with adaptive dampers, offers precise control and feedback. The electro-hydraulic steering system provides exceptional responsiveness, allowing the driver to place the car with pinpoint accuracy. The 720S's aerodynamic features, such as the active rear spoiler and integrated air intakes, work in unison to provide additional downforce and cooling, ensuring consistent performance under demanding conditions. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside the 720S reveals a cockpit designed with the driver in mind. The minimalist layout emphasizes functionality, with controls intuitively placed for ease of use. High-quality materials, including Alcantara and premium leather, adorn the cabin, creating an environment that is both luxurious and purposeful. The carbon fiber accents serve as a reminder of the car's performance-oriented nature. The lightweight, electrically adjustable seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while ensuring comfort on longer journeys. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, allowing drivers to prioritize the information most relevant to their driving experience. The folding driver display can switch between a full-screen mode, displaying comprehensive data, and a slim mode, providing only essential information to minimize distraction. technology and infotainment. The 720S is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies that enhance both the driving experience and connectivity. The McLaren infotainment system features a centrally mounted 8-inch touchscreen that controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system supports Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, and is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with smartphones. The optional Bowers-Wilkins audio system delivers an immersive listening experience, with strategically placed speakers that provide crystal-clear sound. The 720S also offers advanced driver assistance features, including front and rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and adaptive cruise control, enhancing convenience and safety. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the design of the 720S. The carbon fiber monocoque provides exceptional structural integrity, protecting occupants in the event of a collision. The car is equipped with multiple airbags, including front, side, and knee airbags, ensuring comprehensive protection. Advanced braking systems, featuring carbon ceramic discs and ABS, provide exceptional stopping power and fade resistance. The 720S also incorporates traction control and electronic stability control systems that work seamlessly to maintain optimal handling characteristics. The tire pressure monitoring system alerts the driver to any significant changes in tire pressure, ensuring that the vehicle operates within safe parameters. Customization and personalization. McLaren offers a plethora of customization options through its Special Operations (MSO) division. Customers can choose from a wide array of exterior colors, interior materials, and bespoke features to create a 720S that reflects their personal taste. Whether it's unique paint finishes, custom stitching, or personalized badging, the MSO team ensures that each vehicle is a unique expression of its owner's vision. Driving experience. Behind the wheel of the 720S, drivers are treated to an exhilarating experience that is both engaging and accessible. The car's acceleration is instantaneous, with the twin-turbo V8 delivering a surge of power that presses you into the seat. The exhaust note crescendos as the revs climb, providing an auditory thrill that complements the physical sensations. The steering. The backside of the 2025 McLaren 720S is a stunning display of aerodynamics, performance, and aggressive styling. Designed for both function and aesthetics, the rear showcases a striking blend of lightweight materials and purposeful engineering. At the center, the exposed carbon fiber rear diffuser plays a crucial role in enhancing aerodynamics by channeling airflow efficiently, increasing stability at high speeds. Above it, the large dual exhaust outlets are positioned high, creating a dramatic visual effect while producing an exhilarating sound signature from the twin-turbo